Brad Williams, XL prime, square root, power. Let's go down that road. We're just going to figure out the square root of a number. 566. Square root is 2369. What happens with the negative number? It doesn't work. You cannot square a negative number. So what do you do in the event that you run into this error? We can use the if error. If negative, you can use an if statement. If, instead of putting in an if error, if B5 is less than 0, put 0 or blank. Otherwise, square root or power. You could put if error in there if you want. If error, a blank equals, there you go. If you don't like that approach, try this one. If, I like to just copy it because I'm going to have to use it anyway. Power B7 1/2 is less than 0, and it should be B7 is 0. Here's the power. We can use a square root. Do we have a square root in here? Equals SQRT, and you can do the exact same thing with square root in terms of errors. So we just find the square root of this. And you don't put B5 in there twice. You put the B5 right here. Here, you can just close it out, and it's 2379 equals power. See, there's the answer.